Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you about the Megan Banfido biography and lifestyle. Full name Megan Banfido. Born on 2 March 1989, age 32 years. Height 1.55 meter. Nationality Canadian. Megan Banfido is a Canadian diver. She used to compete in the 10-meter synchronized event with Rosalind Fillion before the latter retired in January 2017. Banfido and Fillion was bronze medal in the 10-meter platform synchro event at the 2012 and 2016 Summer Olympics. Banfido was born on 2 March 1989 in Montreal, Quebec to Portuguese parents, Archer Banfido and Margarida Correa. She has younger twin sisters Alicia and Chelsea. Career. She began diving for Canada in 2005 and credits Emily Hemmens and Alexandre Despati for inspiring her to take up the sport. She won a bronze medal at the 2005 World Aquatics Championship in her hometown of Montreal. But she and Fillion have been unable to return to the medal podium at the World since in 2006 they won at the Commonwealth Games. Banfido won a bronze medal at the 2007 Pan American Games in the 3-meter synchronized event with Kelly MacDonald. Banfido and Fillion qualified for the Beijing Olympics after they beat teammates Hemmens and Marie-Eve Marliou, which was considered a dramatic upset, particularly at defeating Canadian diving legend Hemmens. At the 2008 Summer Olympics, the diving partners finished in 7th place. She did not compete in the 2010 Commonwealth Games due to a lingering shoulder injury that had not healed in time. Both the ladies failed to medal at any events leading into the 2012 Summer Olympics in London. At the 2012 edition of the two Canadians managed to hold third place through nearly the whole competition in the 10-meter platform synchro event. After the medal clinking dive, she said, "We gave it all we had and we came away with a bronze medal. We are pretty happy with that." A Quebec politician from a provincially souverainist party, the Parti Québécois, commented on the medals won by Banfido and others as the first 4 medals won were from Quebec athletes. At the 2014 Commonwealth Games, she won a gold medal in the 10-meter platform synchronized with Fillion and gold in the 10-meter platform individual. At the 2016 Summer Olympics in Rio de Janeiro, Banfido and Fillion repeated their bronze medal performance in the 10-meter platform synchro event, while Banfido won an additional individual medal in the individual platform diving event. Fillion placed 6th in the latter event. Banfido was named as Canada's flag bearer for the 2018 Commonwealth Games in the Gold Coast, Australia. Personal life. Banfido and Fillion have been together as diving partners for a long time and reportedly consider each other as lifelong friends. Fillion said of their relationship that, "We have known one another for our entire lives, so we have a really good relationship. It's more of a sisterhood relationship now. We could probably go to a restaurant and order for each other." So friends, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit like the button and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.